Okay, hello, hi, welcome to my channel Super Linux. So here I'm going to show you the setup and you'll understand later what it's all about. We have here the camera. Okay, it's a Canon 6D. We have here a microscope. Between the camera and this pillar, this tube, okay, there's here inside a ring called C2M42. 42 is 42 millimeters. Okay, there's some kind of ring here. Okay, this is what they call the Canon EOS ring. Okay, there's another one for Nikon if you have a Nikon. Okay, but in this setup the difference is that this is a Canon and it can take this kind of cable. Okay, this kind of cable. Here we have USB mini. Okay, let me increase the exposure a little bit so you can see it. So this is a USB mini, this type of USB. Okay, this kind. Let's try to focus, maybe it will focus. So this kind of cable. Okay. So this is the socket. Okay, this socket here. Okay, so from the other side, okay, let's connect it. Okay, you can see it's now the TV is connected to my PC. Okay, and it's showing now my PC. Okay, but now we're not going to use something like HDMI. Okay, we have here, okay, those AV sockets, okay, or AV plugs. Okay, so this cable is from USB to AV plugs, and here, okay, let's see, you have to turn the camera on, but yeah, before that you have to use the remote control of the TV. Change here is the source. It says source, so the source of the screen. Okay, here it's not on normal TV, usual TV. Here now it's on AV. Now there's no signals, yes, because the camera is off. Okay, we turn the camera on. Okay, and then we can use, you saw the TV changes. Okay, now and here, so I have here some kind of tongue section. Okay, okay, inserted underneath the microscope. This is how you completely use the microscope with the Canon 6D and and USB to AV cable. There's also, if you want, you can use the mini HDMI from here. Okay, this is here. Okay, I do have the cable. Okay, but I have to reconnect it. But the main issue here, or the main thing I'm trying to demonstrate, is the ability to use the AV USB cable on a microscope. So if you think that it doesn't work, it works. Okay, if you have this idea in any way. Okay, and here for you just to see the screen. Okay, the exposure is too high. Okay, so here you can see that we can change the, like I'm using my hand here at the bottom, okay, to change the position of my slide. Okay, and yeah, that's it. Okay, thanks for watching. Please subscribe and like our channel.